Hello, I'm Chris, the inventor of DRAINADO, and I currently have about 28 years experience in the air conditioning trade. We came up with this product called the DRAINADO to make it a 15-in-1 adapter so that it takes all the guesswork out of hooking vacuums up to PVC. So what it does is it basically takes the most common vacuum hose sizes and the most common PVC pipe sizes that are in residential and commercial applications, and we basically made this part that has those 15 combinations so you could basically hook up any configuration possible. So what we're looking at is 2.5-inch vacuum connection to the DRAINADO, 1 7/8, and 1.25 inch. And like I said, these are the most common sizes that you can get on the market today. And as far as the PVC pipe sizes go, we have 2-inch, 1.5 inch, and it just pops right on. 1.25 inch, 1 inch, and 3/4. Now, 3/4 is basically the most common size in residential applications. So this is going to be where our main focus is. Now, when you look at a residential house, typically you have the drain line either coming out of the ground or coming out of the wall, and it usually looks like something like this. Or it may just have a fitting on there. Typically the fitting isn't glued, but sometimes it will be. Either way, if it's glued, you add a little piece of pipe, 3/4 inch, and then you can just pop the DRAINADO on and then hook up the vacuum. Or if you can take that fitting off and it's not glued, basically just put it on like that. Okay? Now what we're going to, before I get ahead of myself, I want to mention that the DRAINADO works with Schedule 40 pipe and Schedule 80 pipe, PVC pipe. Because it fits on the outside diameter, it can fit on both. Now we're going to go to the outside where we show you the DRAINADO being used in the field.